today on Tenacious Tools and Techniques, where we focus on common household and auto projects. We're going to build some cabinet carcasses for upper wall cabinets. So right now I'm going to start ripping everything down to 12 inches because that's going to be the width of our wall cabinet, which is your standard wall cabinet width. Now I'll need to go inside and make up a cleat to hold it on the wall and then do some assembly. Okay, so now that I've got them ripped for width, I'm going to cut them for height and width of the cabinet. So we'll do that next. That step of it. We'll proceed to the next. Okay, now we've got all the pieces cut. It's time for some assembly. So now we're going to put the carcass together. So this is my top, this is my bottom, these are my two sides. First off, I'm going to put a little glue on. That's what makes it strong. nice glue bond. Okay. Go. Okay. Glue up the other side. All right. Now we'll do the other side. Glue. This side. Make sure you glue that joint good. I like to get a lot of glue on there. 'Cause this joint will be the strongest part of this cabinet. A good glued joint is like a welded joint. It'll be stronger than the rest of the cabinet. Okay. That side. Okay, that's that. And one more item is this cleat. And this cleat is the way it holds it on the wall. And I believe it's a French cleat. How it works is one side has an angle on it and the other side has a corresponding angle. And when you put the two together, if you can see, one will go on top of the other one, and once it goes down like that, that is the tightest fastening system that you can get, and it's really very strong. So that's how we're going to do that. So what we'll do is put a little glue on, glue this up. Nice putting these carcasses together. They're real simple. There's no need to go out and buy cabinets that are so expensive when you can really make these yourself, especially this shaker style cabinets, which is what these are going to be. It's very simple cabinets anyone can put together. some more glue on this one. Like I said, I want to really want a good bead on here. There. Well, I don't think this is going to go in. I'm going to have to go cut it. It's not going to fit. Okay, I went and trimmed it down, so now it should fit. Come on now. There. There we go. So now, pick this up, have it ready to go on the wall. And then this cleat will go up under it. Like that. And that'll just lock that thing in nice and tight. Okay, let's hang it. Okay, now we got the cabinet ready to hang. I'm going to pull it up where I want it, drive a screw in it, and that'll be that. Let's see. There you go. So I can put a few more screws in it, but basically that's it. That's the carcass of the cabinet. Now we just need to put on their face frame and make the doors for it. So hope you enjoy this type of content. If you do, like, share, and subscribe.